Hey there Dev Squad, Virtus here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be showing you a fix for the calculate direction node. This calculate direction essentially allows us to take two inputs, the velocity and the rotation, and turn it into a direction variable, which is used for feeding into our animation blueprint. As of Unreal Engine version 4.21, they changed the way that this works. And I was relying heavily on this node in all of my series for Create a Game, whether that be FPS, RPG or alike. So what we're going to be doing is just taking a moment to show you how it now works after they changed it. It still works in exactly the same way functionality wise, just the pins have changed a little bit. That's what I'll be showing you. So having said that, inside of your animation blueprint, what we're going to be doing is casting to the player character just like we would normally. And in this case, it is going to be our third person character. Now, if you're doing this for AI or a character with a different name, just simply reference to a different character blueprint. Now, with this, what we're going to do is set up our object wildcard, which is simply going to be get player character. Once we've done this, what we're going to do is use that new calculate direction node. But to do this, we can't drag off the execution pin anymore. What we have to do is find some blank space and then search for calculate direction. Now what you will notice is with this there is no longer an execution pin. So what you have to do is from your return value, we are going to simply promote this to a variable and give it the name direction. And as part of this set node here, we have an execution pin. So if we go from our cast to our set direction, this is going to automatically run this code here. Now all of the inputs on this side of it are going to be exactly the same as it is in my tutorials. So what we're going to do is as third person character, we are going to get the velocity, which is going to give us a vector, which is yellow, and it's going to go straight into the yellow pin. As third person character, we're also going to get the base rotation. So get actor rotation, just the same as you would in the tutorial, and hook it up just like that. And that is absolutely everything that you need to know about the calculate direction node. It is as simple as that. The only difference is there is no longer an execution pin on it, so you can't run straight from the cast into the calculate direction node itself. I hope you have enjoyed this video and best of luck with the rest of the series, but for now guys, once again, stay awesome, keep creating, your boy Virtus, signing out. This video was made possible by my supporters on Patreon. If you want more videos like this, check out my Patreon page using the link in the description. To stay up to date on new releases, make sure you follow us on social media.